are at TL Technologies to find out about manufacturing and what's so cool about it. TL Technologies is a precision machining company located in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. The precision and accuracy in the metalworking machines housed in this state-of-the-art building are the pride of the team and people who work here. Chris Lay and his business partner John Thompson are the leaders of the team here at TL Technologies. Mr. Lay's enthusiasm for his work and his business and his team are apparent. We asked Mr. Lay about his path to get where he is today.
I just want to take a minute to tell you how I got into this. It started off in an accounting program and then quickly shifted over to computer science because I was missing building things, and I thought that in the computer science field I was able to start with a blank screen and actually fabricate something, and when I was done I had a working product. It created like a desire in me to just make things in the USA and make them really well.
As products get manufactured, much attention is paid to costs and waste. TL Technology is a low-waste company which recycles everything they can. With the conscious efforts to recycle and keep costs down, new machinery can be acquired to do amazing projects, like the MF500 cell, which will create precision parts for all sorts of products. This is the only MF500 cell machine in the United States. It just recently arrived and took a lot of effort to acquire, transport, and assemble before it can even be put to work here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. In our search to find out what's so cool about manufacturing, let's talk to Andrew Parker, a CNC machinist here at TL Technologies.
Just all the different kind of parts you get to make. Like one day we're making something that you could use in your house, and one day it's a car part, or a lot of different options of things to make, and it's cool.
Building and manufacturing items for everyday life is a much growing career path. TL Technologies has shown us some unique aspects of manufacturing products for the world and how cool it is to play a part along that path. So, what advice would you give to a middle school student who isn't sure which career path to pursue?
Probably the most important thing you can do is just keep learning and doing what you're doing today. Come out and see what people do for a living.
Thanks for having us here at TL Technologies.